Cliganic USDA Organic Castor Oil. Hello friends. This video highlights the features, benefits, uses, and safety information about Cliganic USDA Organic Castor Oil. To purchase the oil, click the link provided in the description section below. Please like, subscribe and share the video to support us create more content like this. Welcome. Features. It is manufactured by Cliganic. This is a USDA certified organic castor oil. This means that it is 100% pure and natural. It is 100% risk-free. It is also cruelty-free, implying that it has not been tested on animals. It is extracted using the cold pressing method. It is bottled in the USA with the highest standards. Its botanical name is Ricinus communis. It originates from India. It is light yellow in color. It has an earthy, nutty aroma with a slight scent. Package dimensions in terms of length, width, and height are 8.85 by 4.63 by 2.48 inches. Benefits and uses of Cliganic USDA Organic Castor Oil. Eyelashes and eyebrows. Castor oil can help nourish your eyebrows and eyelashes, which is why it is a featured ingredient in many homemade lash and brow serums. Use the Cliganic mascara wand and liner brush, included in the package, to apply to eyelashes. To use, pour the castor oil into the mascara wand and liner brush vials using the included funnel. Dip the mascara wand or liner brush into the vial and wipe off any excess before applying to eyelashes. Apply from root to tip. Repeat nightly. Hair care. Castor oil is renowned for keeping hair strong and healthy, preventing split ends and adding healthy-looking shine in the process. Castor oil can also help reduce dandruff and strengthen dry or damaged hair. Due to its thickness, you may want to combine it with argan oil, which also offers numerous benefits for the hair. To use, apply a quarter-sized amount to dry roots or scalp and massage gently. Apply wherever there is dryness or irritation. Face moisturizer. Castor oil helps soften and protect skin because it is full of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that acts as a humectant, that is, a substance used to retain or preserve moisture. Castor oil is often used in cosmetics, lotions, and cleansers. Because of the oil's thickness, many prefer to blend castor oil with other skin-friendly oils, such as jojoba oil. Body moisturizer. Castor oil can also be used as an all-over body moisturizer, helping to keep skin smooth, nourished, and supple. It is particularly effective for rough areas like feet and elbows. Simply apply to damp skin after a shower or bath to lock in moisture. Due to the oil's thickness, you may want to combine it with another skin-friendly oil, such as jojoba oil. Anti-aging. Besides moisturizing the face, castor oil can also help reduce the visibility of wrinkles and fine lines. By combating free radicals that damage the skin and stimulating the body's production of collagen and elastin, castor oil helps provide smoother and more youthful-looking skin. Massage into skin each evening before bed. All skin types. Castor oil is often used to soothe and calm dry and irritated skin. Begin by opening up your pores by putting a towel over your head and leaning over a bowl of steaming water. After a few minutes, apply castor oil to affected areas by massaging into the skin. Once finished, wipe the castor oil from your skin and rinse your face with cold water to help shrink pores. Gently dry skin with a clean towel. Nails and cuticles. Castor oil hydrates nail beds, cuticles, and the surrounding skin, which promotes healthy nail growth. This keeps nails from breaking and peeling, which gives you longer and healthier nails. To use, soak fingertips in a small amount of castor oil or apply to nail beds with a Cliganic cotton swab. Carrier oil for essential oils. Essential oils must be diluted before use on skin, which is done via the use of a carrier oil. Castor oil has long been used as a carrier oil because of its moisturizing properties for skin and hair. Most people find castor oil to have a neutral smell. USDA certified organic, non-GMO verified product. The strict oversight of USDA ensures the integrity of Cliganic castor oil. In other words, it's really organic, by KIO 3 2017. This product is verified with the Non-GMO Project, by O1 2019. Cruelty-free, and vegan. Not tested on animals. Cliganic meets PETA's requirements to be listed as cruelty-free, by PETA 07 2015. Safety information. For external use only. Keep away from flames and high heat. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue the use immediately if redness or irritation occurs. The following items are included with the purchase. Cliganic organic castor oil, 8 ounces. Mascara wand. Liner brush. Funnel. Directions for eyelashes. Use Cliganic's mascara wand and liner brush to apply to eyelashes. Pour the castor oil into the mascara wand and liner brush vials using the included funnel. Dip the mascara wand and or liner brush into the vial and wipe off any excess before applying to your eyelashes, from the root to the tip. Apply nightly. Directions for hair. Gently apply a quarter-sized amount to your dry roots and scalp, making sure to apply wherever you are experiencing dryness or irritation. Hope the information was helpful. Remember, to purchase the oil, click the link provided in the description section below. Please like, subscribe and share the video to support us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.